Hello again. In this video, I will be talking about the make or buy decision. Usually when we go to the industry, what we see, we need to make decisions to whether make a product or services in-house, or we should maybe hire a contractor to do it for us. There are different factors will play into this, such as the skills, the expertise, and many other things such as safety and regulation and so on. Maybe we're not qualified to do that. So what I want to say here is because this is an important concept, we use it on daily basis in the industry. We have to learn how to calculate. We look into the financial aspect of it, and we look into how we can calculate that particular piece of information that we need to make a decision. So let's go over the literature here. Project managers sometimes face a situation where they have to decide between sourcing a product or service internally or external. So should we go internal or external? This process decision is known as a make versus buy decision. Producing the needed product in-house or purchasing it from external supplier. Make versus buy decision compares the cost and benefits of producing a necessary good or service internally to the cost and benefits of hiring an outside supplier for the resource in question. All right, so let's take an example to demonstrate the importance of this decision and how we could make this decision. So this is a case study from a construction company. The Z Builders is a construction company specialized in developing townhomes. Part of the construction process is to do the electrical for the houses. The company is currently contracted with a certified electrician at $10,000 per house. The company can also finish the needed electricity for the house. They could do it their own. If they decided to do that, next year, in the coming year, the company anticipated building 100 homes in the future. And if the company decide to do it internally, they would have to hire a certified electrician to do it for them. It will also need to consider the following costs. The direct labor, $70,000, that's the salary for the electrician. Direct material is $1,000 per house. Variable indirect overhead would be $5,000 per house. And also, if we need to do internal process, we need a special tooling of $20,000 per year. And the question here, should the Z Builders make or buy this service? So what I want to do here, I want to share my Excel sheet. I'm going to stop sharing here. I'm going to share with you an Excel sheet. And let's see how we could analyze this concept. So all right, so here's the Excel sheet that I would like to share with you. And what we have here, I have the information. We have outsourcing. If we need to keep the contract, that would cost $10,000 per house. And we know that the demand is 1,000. That's the goal for them, is to build a 1,000 house per year. If they want to do the process internally, they have to hire an electrician for $70,000. And material for 1,000, this is what we need to calculate. We know that it is provided to us that the material would be 1,000 per house, and we're making 1,000 houses. So that would be equal to 1 million. And then the overhead cost for 1,000 houses would be 1,000 houses times the $5,000. That would be 5 million. The tooling cost would be 20,000 per year, and we given the demand. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to find what would be the total cost for 1,000 houses. So we have 70,000, that's per year. And for material, we need $1 million. That's where you see the 1 million. and we have for the overhead to be 5 million, and for the tooling would be $20,000. So we added all these costs together to find out that about $6 million needed to build 1,000 house, just for the electricity part, not for building the full house. Again, just to make sure that you understand exactly what we're trying to find. We're trying to find whether we hire a contract, should we contract with an external electrician who's certified, or we should hire a certified electrician to do the work for us. So we found that the total cost for that particular job of fixing the electricity in houses, in 1,000 houses, would be about 6 million. Cost for one house would be the 6 million divided by 1,000. So that would be $6,090 if we hire our own electrician, versus is the $10,000 that if we need to keep contracting with the external electrician. So it does make sense to hire your own and do the process internally rather than paying the $10,000 for the certified electrician to do the electricity for you. And so the decision between make versus buy is to make it in-house. So that is the end of this chapter. Thank you very much. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you.